Once you have the infographic ready, you will first want to add it to your website. Create a separate page for it with a title like Easy Ways to Clean a Mattress Fast and add a short introduction of about 300 to 500 words. Next, you will want to make a list of bloggers who blog about closely related topics. You want to make a list of at least 50 to 100 bloggers who can possibly share your infographic in exchange for a backlink. To get to know who the popular bloggers in your niche are, you would want to log into your BuzzSumo account and click on the Influencers tab in the main menu and do a search for the main topic of your site, in our case, mattress. Right now, the tool is displaying bloggers, influencers, companies, journalists, and regular people. You want it to list only bloggers. The chances of an affiliate website getting a link from companies or journalists is not very high, so you would not want to waste your time contacting them. You would want to create a list only of bloggers and then contact them about your infographic. So, let's uncheck the rest of the options here so that only a list of bloggers is displayed. Once you have this list of bloggers in your niche, you would want to visit each of their blogs and get the email address from their About Us or Contact Us pages and put them all in a spreadsheet. Also, you would want to follow them on Twitter. You can do that easily by clicking on the Follow button within BuzzSumo. Following the bloggers in your niche is very important. You want to open channels of communication with the people who matter in your niche. This can do you a lot of good when you want to request their help in promoting your content. You could also search for bloggers who blog about related topics like sleep and so on. In addition, you could also make a list of bloggers who promoted the article on Tip Hero about easy ways to clean the mattress and contact them as well. To do that, go to the tab Content Research. The article we got the idea from is here. You can view the list of people who shared this article by clicking on this button, View Sharers. Once again, let's look only at bloggers. These are the bloggers who shared the article. They might possibly be interested in sharing the infographic as well.